Hey guys, today this is the beginning of the war. We're gonna have a little.
Hey! This is also me. I'm gonna start recording my video shortly. So yeah, go on my channel instead because Christian's channel sucks.
It's a complete cringe fest, but still, please watch. I still have 32
Hey
subscribers.
guys, it's me.
Oh,
it's me,
yeah, we're
Charlie
screwed.
Dog, and Christian already started recording. Here's
yeah.
my audience. Hello. It's audience versus audience.
Yeah!
Audience versus audience. Yeah.
Please watch my video. This is the beginning of the war. There's 2 more people gonna be joining us.
1 + 1 equals fish.
There's two more people gonna be joining the war. Okay. There's gonna be Kaden and Ryder.
1 + 1 equals fish.
Ryder here. They're here. They're here, boys. They're here. Ryder is here. Ryder's here. We're starting the war. Yep. We're here. We're here to join. We're here to start the war.
Oh no! Everybody, start the war!
Okay, we're gonna have a countdown soon. Okay, this is a free for all. This is a free for all, by the way.
Everybody!
Wait. See. I want to see because I barely have any guns. I have one gun, a pocket gun. Okay, guys.
What the heck? 3!
Oh! No, wait, not yet. We have to do.
Same exact gun.
Okay.
I have the same exact gun.
Okay, boys.
Alright guys, hurry up!
I have this gun.
Are you ready, Kaden? Oh, this looks brilliant.
Why? I want it.
Okay. Okay, give me a second,
wait,
audience.
I'm taking this.
No, I already took it. I'm sorry, but I already took it. I have this gun, as you can see, audience.
Hey, Christian! Team!
Yeah, we're gonna be.
No team!
Yeah, let's team Christian!
Yeah, because there's gonna be tons of people.
Yeah! What happens if we get shot?
If you get shot 3 times, then you're out.
I brought markers to mark our health.
Okay, everyone should get a marker, okay?
I only have 4.
Everybody get a marker!
I only have 4.
Oh yeah, that's okay. Me and Matthew will share. Let's see. Choose your color.
Everybody get over here!
Okay, I'll be blue.
I'll be blue.
I'll be blue. Wait, I already said blue.
No.
I already said blue. Purple. Set down the rules. Set down the rules. Can I be purple?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Can I be
5, 6.
purple?
There's 6 people. So,
Yeah.
hold
Can
on.
I be purple
Hold on.
or black?
Are you recording me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we're a YouTube channel.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, we can
That's true, Matthew.
have 3 teams of 2. So
Yeah, 3 teams of 2.
you two, and then Ethan or whatever your name is.
What? Me and him would like to. Can me and him be? Can me and Matthew be on a team?
All right.
I thought you were the
You guys are Team Brown.
Can we be? Can me and Matthew be on a team?
Yeah, sure. Can I see
Okay.
your hand?
1, 2, 3.
You just sit. Okay. Wait.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, and we'll mark them off every time we get hit. Okay, so it's me, Matthew, you, Ryder, and Wesley, and Hayden.
One of your teammates has the marker, and if you get shot, you cross out a bar.
I'm Team Orange.
Okay. Me and Ryder are
You
on
and-
Team Orange. Okay. Who's team are you on?
I'm on Charlie's.
All right. Okay.
You'll be on Wesley's team.
No, because then we won't mark it. When we get hit, we mark one.
No, you guys both have it together. Oh, why you gotta stay together?
What are you talking about? If we get shot, then we mark it. Let's go. Christian, were you born in 2020? Were you born in 2020?
I was born in,
20?
you mean 12?
No, 2020.
No, yeah, actually, yeah, I was. Anyway, guys, this is the beginning of the war. This is gonna be an incredible war. It took tons of time planning. I mean, yeah, it did. It took tons of time planning. And basically, this is gonna be it. This is the war. So currently, as you can see, I am Team Brown. I am on a team with me and my good friend Matthew. And that's basically it. And I can't announce the rest of the teams because guess. I don't know. Hello, who's one of our contestants? Wesley. I'm blue shirt. Right, I'm blue shirt. That's it. Okay. Okay, me and him are gonna be on a team. Everyone's gonna be spread out.
We have the advantage because I have a mask.
Yes.
And we have the zip line. Wait, Charlie.
Yeah.
Charlie, can you give me a zip line?
Everybody, we're doing a free for all.
Give me a zip. What? No.
Free for all.
We're changing it now?
Yeah.
No.
Free
No.
for all.
No, it should be teams because there's already 6 people.
And then you're the people.
Not everyone has bullets. That's why I think we should do a team.
Yeah, team. Me.
I'm doing this.
I'll equip them. Get the zip line.
Okay, teams then. If
Okay.
you die, you sit on the zip line pad.
Yeah, if you die, you sit on the zipline pad.
And we get to torture you.
So don't
Yeah!
pad until you die.
Alright, so
All right, Kristen, get the zip line. What's the weapon?
Yeah! We got ziplines, boys! Okay, I have automated gun and a Wait, it's a free for all.
No. Okay, teams then? Yeah.
No teams. More people agree on teams, bro. We should do teams.
then we're doing free for all.
Team.
Here we go.
We don't have to free for all.
You can team. Where's your marker?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, but
Yeah, we do.
Who
Two.
has your marker? No, I'm recording. I'm not playing.
I do.
We do.
Can I have your marker?
Oh, wait, you're not playing?
Yeah, no, I'm not playing. I'm
Oh.
record.
But can we still make an alliance, though?
All right, come on, please play.
Fine.
But I'm not.
Wait, how are we supposed to mark a life, though?
We don't.
Oh, what?
If you get shot one time, you go to the dead pad. Let me reload.
No, if you get shot 3 times, bro. 3 times.
Can I reload?
All right.
3 times. Here you go. Okay, Matthew. We're gonna have the best alliance ever. We're gonna be together. I have a pocket gun. I have my bullets in my pocket.
Right now, because this is your
Wait, Christian, get that big gun.
Everybody get your guns ready.
Wait, that's Matthews. That's Matthews. That's his. That's Matthews. That's Matthews.
I'll be the rep, okay? I'll be the rep too. So if you get
Got it.
yes, you hear me.
Yes.
You get shot, go to the dead pad, okay?
Free time.
Right here.
No, everyone's spread out.
If you get shot 3 times, well, we're not gonna be able to know that. People don't cheat.
What?
No, it's gonna be way too complicated if you don't have the markers. Remember?
That's why we should do teams.
Well, it's instant kill then. Everyone can be it right over.
No, if you get shot 2 times.
Instant.
Let's go to all story here.
No, we're not. The water is right here.
Hey, let me get our base.
Instant kill. And
Okay.
boundary for car.
Yeah. Okay, you hold on to it for now.
You go over there.
Hello, everyone. This is Matthew recording for me right now as my cameraman because I'm climbing up here and I can't hold both. Okay, Matthew, what guns do you have? You have those 2 guns.
Yeah.